It's Friday, which means it's sheet washing day. They're inside out. Sheet clean. I even washed my duvet cover, so this is all fresh. Just for you to frick up. Good morning! My face looks very blotchy. I promise it's not in real life. Anyways, so I'm making my coffee. I need to pack, so my roommates all went to the beach, and I thought I was gonna be fine home alone. And I know I'm gonna convince myself during the day that'll be fine, and at night, like, regret it. Because I, like, already regretted it last night, and they were like, they didn't even leave until 5 a.m. today. So I'm gonna go to my parents' house because I don't want to get murdered here. Alright, so like I said, I have several shirts to do, and I figured I'd walk you through kind of how I make them. So I have 3 of these Yeehaw shirts to do. These are like my most popular shirt, so I just set it up in the Cricut app. The Cricut is a cutting machine, if you did not know that. So I'm going to make 3 of them. And then I have 1 more, but I'm going to do that on a different canvas. So I need one that's like 9.5 by like 10.5. Oh, you can't really see that, but it shows you how big of material you need. And then on this one, it needs a 5 by 10. So I will get the Cricut ready now, and I'll show you what's next. When I'm ready, I kind of lie them out. So all 3 of these ones are going to be Yeehaw, and that is the other one. So I have it separate. I confirmed the sizes just to be sure, and then I'm going to put the vinyl on my cutting mats. I just got new ones I'm very excited about, and then I'm going to cut them. Alright, so I've got my heat press heating up. I've said this before, this is for sure not a safe setup. And then I have my vinyl on my mat, and I'm going to press go, and then this will start cutting. Alright, so you can kind of see, it's hard to tell, but this one is cut, and then this process is called weeding, and that's when you use a little tool and you pull out all the parts that you don't want ironed on. So you can see I already did this one, and I was going to say the importance of taking your time with this, because you can see I cut it wrong, and so this cut off, so I'm already cutting a new one of this, which is annoying. I probably could have just cut a new Y, but you want to take your time and be careful, because I just wasted this whole thing, and this stuff is not cheap, so that's a bummer. So you can see these ones are both ready to go. This part is like kind of sticky, so you can kind of secure it to the shirt before you do it. And I did want to say I weed these really fast. This design is not very intricate, as you can see, and it's really big, and with the vinyl I use, I know I can weed them very quickly and not very carefully. So I use the scissor or sizer, I don't know how to pronounce it, Easy Weed. It's the only one I use. I've used other ones and they are really hard to weed, so that's one I recommend. Alrighty, so I got this one ready. I use this little ruler thing to line it up, and then you want to make sure you take that out, because that's not iron proof, and then you press it. It makes that lovely sound when it's done. And then what I do is I peel off the transfer paper, and then I do one more press with just some parchment paper, just to make sure it's really on there. I try to stop it before the alarm goes off. And I just make sure it's on there. With heat transfer vinyl, the trick is like you can see the texture of the shirt on the vinyl, and then also when I go like this, I can't really like feel it. Like I couldn't really tell if there was something on there. It's burning my fingertips a little bit, but that's okay. And then there we go. A brand new t-shirt. Alright, so the last thing I need to do is just put the logos on the inside, but I did want to say while the logo, or while this part is still warm, you want to lie them flat, because if you fold them, it will fold the vinyl too. So the last thing I do is put the logo on, and I actually use this mini iron, which is funny considering that I have this like big industrial t-shirt iron. But because of like the crease of the shirt and the lip on the collar, it's just easier to use this. Alright, so it took about an hour. They're all done. I folded them up nice, and the last thing is just to add the tags. Oh my gosh. Alright, and then they are all done. So, alright, filming a voiceover, that's fine. Basically all I was saying is that everyone gets a tag. I include a little sticker. That's the one I'm currently giving out. It's a rainbow. And then my business card, that's my new one. These are my first orders with that card. And then those are the shipping labels I put underneath them. I use these compostable bags, which is nice. And they're also reusable, so they have that second little strip of tape. So they can use them to ship something else if they need to. And yeah, a lot of people would use little plastic like cellophane for the like sticker and business cards, so I try to use those compostable cards as the offset. So yeah, I don't know what else I'm saying here, but here are these 4 shirts, and then I'm going to put them in the package. Yay. Alright, hello, sorry it's much later now. It's dark outside, it's like 9 p.m. And I'm at my parents' house now. I am going to go to bed soon because I have to wake up early tomorrow, but yeah. This is my room at my parents' house. It doesn't look anything like it did when I lived here. It was lime green. How sad. My mom's freaking rowing machine is over there now. Apparently I'm not supposed to park in this parking spot, but nobody told me that because what? It's everywhere. I'm filming this part on photo booth. But anyways, that's all for that video. Forgot to end it. And clearly I need to work on some like structure because it's kind of all over the place. I'm also not crying. I have allergies. But yeah, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Lane Doing Things. Comment your favorite part. Mine was the bird poop.